In this video, I'm going to show you how to expand territory in Once Human. So this is actually much simpler than it may sound. First, you of course have to have a territory or a base built, and you have to have this territory terminal. Now, what you want to do is then open up your inventory and go inside Memetics and Cradle. You want to go inside Memetics again and go to the very right where it says Building. Now you want to scroll down and look for this independent memetic over here, which is called territory expansion. And as you can see, it says after learning how to expand your territory, if you have enough space, head to the territory terminal to extend your building zone. Of course, what you want to do is press F to unlock this territory expansion. It's not that expensive. And then you want to go out of here. And then what you want to do is walk up to your territory terminal, which is for here over me. And as you can see, there's now a new button which says Age Territory Upgrade. You want to press Age, and in case you have enough space around you and no one else has built there and no forbidden areas for building are around you, you'll be able to level up and upgrade your territory. Now as you can see, it says after upgrading, your territory will overlap with other facilities such as strongholds and roads. Please relocate your territory to a more open area before upgrading. This basically means that I'm in an area where I can't expand my territory right now because there, you can see there's other buildings. I'm still in the beginner area, even though I know I'm level 50. Still haven't moved yet, and there's a house and stuff like that. So I can do it over here. However, if you have enough open space, you'll be able to press H and then press F to level up, and you will successfully expand your territory and your building limits. Now, I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.